Here is the pork barrel barbecue toolkit. As you can see, super convenient carrying case. It's an amazing gift for your favorite pitmaster. We designed this at Pork Barrel Barbecue so it has all the key tools, whether you're just starting out as a pitmaster or an experienced one for your smoker. So we've got the spatula that has if you need a beverage while you're cooking, but also super solid, great rubber back, and then a hanger so you can hang it on your grill. Another key tool is a tong. We designed this because a lot of times what we find is that the tongs aren't actually long enough. So it's great for whatever things you're cooking with high heat. When you're going to carve your beautiful brisket, we've got a carving fork. And then finally, it's important anytime you're cooking to have a clean grill. And so we provided a beautiful scraper and a replacement head for it, making an amazing gift for your favorite pitmaster. And we hope you enjoy it.